Use compatibility settings via shortcut may not work with UWP. If you have a shortcut, e.g. from desktop, try. Right-click the shortcut properties. Go to Compatibility tab. Check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply. This often doesn't apply to UWP apps like Minecraft Bedrock. 2. Disable full screen optimizations globally, not recommended unless needed. If you want to disable it system-wide, open Registry Editor, Win plus R regedit. Navigate to SQL. Copy. Edit. HKY_current_user system game config store. Find the value. Gamed_FC behavior mode set it to do. Reboot your PC. This disables full screen optimizations for all games. 3. Run Minecraft in windowed borderless mode. This bypasses full screen optimization. Launch Minecraft Bedrock. Go to Settings Video. Turn off the full screen option. Set resolution to match your display. This acts like full screen but avoids the optimization layer. 4. Use third-party tools, advanced users. Tools like Explorer Patcher or UWP Hook might help in launching UWP apps through Steam or other wrappers to allow .x access and compatibility settings. These require caution. Method 1. Use borderless windowed mode, recommended. This avoids full screen optimization completely. Open Minecraft Bedrock. Click on Settings. Go to the Video tab. Turn off the full screen toggle. Set the resolution to match your display, e.g. 1920x1080. Exit the settings. This runs the game in borderless windowed mode, giving full screen experience without triggering Windows full screen optimization. Method 2. Disable full screen optimization system-wide via Registry Editor. Applies to all full screen apps and games. Press Win plus R, type regedit, press Enter. Navigate to SQL. Copy. Edit. HKY_current_user system game config store. On the right pane, look for Gamed_FC behavior mode. If it's not there, right-click New word 32-bit value. Name it Gamed_FC behavior mode. Set its value to do. Reboot your PC. Optional. You can also create Gamed_FC behavior mode set to 8. Gamed_FC behavior set to do. This disables full screen optimizations globally, including for Minecraft Bedrock. Method 3. Try launching Minecraft with a wrapper, advanced. Goal: convert Minecraft Bedrock into a format Windows recognizes like Win32 apps. Option A. Add Minecraft Bedrock to Steam using UWP Hook. Download UWP Hook. Launch the app. Select Minecraft from the UWP app list. Export it to Steam. Open Steam. Go to Library. Right-click Minecraft in Steam Properties. Click Set Launch Options. Try launching from here. Full screen optimization might now respect Steam's settings. This method doesn't guarantee control over full screen optimizations but can sometimes help.